child abduction alert has been issued in Milwaukee for the following child: Major P. Harris, age 3, male, black, 3 foot 0 inches, 40 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and small abrasion on right cheek. Missing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Last seen wearing dark blue t-shirt, navy blue Nike basketball shorts, and is barefoot. Law enforcement believes the child may be in the company of Jaheim K. Clark, age 20, male, black, 5 feet 10 inches, and 160 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2008 black Chevrolet Equinox SUV, Wisconsin license plate ABE 2804. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Major Harris or Jaheim Clark, please contact the Milwaukee Police Department at 414-935-7405.